Did you know that Finland drinks more coffee per person than any other country in the world? On average, a Finnish person drinks about 4 cups a day. Proof that coffee and simplicity can definitely go hand in hand. Welcome back to Coffee Minutes, the cozy podcast for coffee lovers, budgeters, and productivity nerds. If you're new here, hit subscribe. We've got your cup filled with tips and inspiration. Today, we're talking about how to budget like a minimalist without giving up your daily coffee. Spoiler, you can absolutely enjoy your cup and save money too. Minimalist budgeting isn't about cutting out every joy. It's about aligning your spending with what actually matters. And if coffee is something you truly enjoy, there's no reason to give it up completely. Here are 4 minimalist-friendly ways to keep coffee in your life while staying on budget. First, define what coffee means to you. Ask yourself, why do I love coffee? Is it the flavor, the ritual, the break from work? Identifying what part brings you joy helps you cut the excess while keeping the experience. For example, maybe you realize it's not the $7 cafe latte that matters, it's the quiet 10-minute pause that comes with it. That means you can recreate the ritual at home at a fraction of the cost. Second, brew at home, but make it special. Minimalists love multi-purpose tools. A French press, pour-over, or AeroPress can elevate your home coffee game without much cost. Buy beans in bulk, experiment with flavors, and treat your kitchen like your personal cafe. Pro tip, invest in a reusable cup or a cozy mug you love. Aesthetic joy adds value to every sip without spending extra daily. Third, set a monthly coffee budget. Instead of feeling guilty about coffee spending, plan for it. Set aside a realistic amount, maybe $30 to $50 a month, and stick to it. Use it for cafe visits, new beans, or a treat yourself day. Budgeting like a minimalist means putting intention behind every dollar. You're not depriving yourself, you're curating your life. Fourth, simplify other food or drink habits. Want to free up cash for quality coffee? Trim small extras elsewhere, like daily juice, energy drinks, or convenience snacks you don't really enjoy. Minimalism is about making space for what you do love. In other words, let your coffee be the treat and cut the noise around it. If this episode made you smile or save, go ahead and hit like, subscribe, and check the description for helpful books and my Ko-Fi page. How do you enjoy coffee without overspending? Share your tips in the comments. I'd love to hear your take. Thanks for listening to Coffee Minutes. In the next episode, we'll explore whether drinking coffee before a workout actually helps or hurts your performance. Until then, happy sipping and smart saving.